The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating or drinking, no talking, no gum chewing, no laying down or sleeping, no riding or driving in a motor vehicle. Also, please keep your phone on mute until addressed by staff. Keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right.
Morning.
All right. Mr. Robert Williams, I'm going to call your matter first. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Williams. This is ticket number P864576. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number 237615. Count 1, no insurance. Count 2, drive unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number P1194H70. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, defective brakes. Also calling ticket number P11948883. 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P83363, on behalf of Mr. Robert Williams. Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Robert Williams.
Thank you, sir.
All right, this is the date and time set in these particular matters for a show cause. How are we proceeding? And there may be some bench warrants too. So we have some show cause and we have some all hearings, show cause. How are we proceeding?
If I may, Your Honor, we would ask that the court set aside any bench warrants, and then also, if the court may set aside any warrants. And Your Honor, yes, there was a offer made by the people to have the ticket number ending in 701 amended to blockading, and ticket number ending in 6151 to improper plates. And I believe the other charges would be dismissed, Your Honor. There was a state charge as well. I didn't know how the court would want to operate with that, but we would respectfully ask that be thrown in the dismissals and have Mr. Williams plead to the blockading and the improper plates, and he would be able to, or excuse me, he would request a financial hardship from the court. I'll leave it at that.
Mr. Williams, you want to take advantage of this offer today?
I did not hear you.
I said, sir, do you want to take advantage of this offer today?
I certainly do.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with the plea?
I didn't understand that.
I said, understanding all of this, all of the rights I just went over, did you still want to move forward with a plea today of guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of February the 22nd of 2016. Did you own a Chevrolet vehicle and you were driving in the area of West 7 Mile and Woodward in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving in that area, was that car unregistered at the time?
Yes.
And then reading from ticket number P11948870 on the date of May 1st, 2021 in the area of West Jefferson and Du Bois Street in the city of Detroit. Mr. Williams was driving a Kia vehicle and he did block traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Barton?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated. Thank you.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket 162376615, count 1, dismiss count 2 of that ticket. Also on ticket number P11948870, count 1, enter amended plea to blockading and dismiss the remaining civil fractions as a plea of responsible on that one. Also dismissing ticket P11948883 and ticket P864576 in its entirety, and the remaining counts on the ticket. All right.
And
Now,
if
I heard you had some hardship, Mr. Williams, well, first you owe some civil infractions. You have outstanding civil infractions. Going to take away the late cost on those, but you have to make payments on those. I can't take those away. On the ticket for today, on the civil infraction, I do have to charge a fine. I haven't been able to figure out how to get around that one. That's $175, sir. They usually have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time?
How much is the ticket?
$175.
How many days?
14 days. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
No.
Okay, how much time do you need?
I need an additional week at least.
I can give you a month. Is that good, sir?
You give me what?
A month, 1 month?
1 month would be excellent.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until May 9th to pay that ticket off, okay? On the other ticket, I'm gonna waive your costs and fines, okay?
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day, okay, sir?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Delcory Williams?
Yes.
All right, call your cases now. Now calling the matters of the people versus Delcory Williams. This is ticket number P675415. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P668780. Count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P668781, 1 count of improper plates. Ticket number P952630, 1 count allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P83363, on behalf of Mr. Delcory Williams. Sir, can you state your name only for the record, please?
Yes. Delcory Williams.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Your Honor, today's the date and time for an arraignment on the bench warrant. We would have my client stand moot, waive any formal reading of the charges, as you enter a not guilty plea.
At this time, the court is going to set aside any bench warrants that may be out there on behalf of your client. Enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. How are we proceeding?
Thank you, Your Honor. There was a offer made by the people to have my client plead to improper plates under the ticket ending in 7802, and then to have him plead to the unregistered vehicle, and the remaining counts would be dismissed. Sorry, I was just trying to get the number for the unregistered, the ticket
You
number.
want to take advantage of that, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, I do.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 12th of 2018. Were you in the area of Joy Road and Lauder Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered at the time?
Yes.
Also, I want to take your attention to the date of July 14th, 2018. With that same Dodge vehicle, were you driving in the area of Braden and Tyreman Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did that vehicle not have any car insurance on it at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Burton?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated. Again, thank you.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea on ticket P675415, count 2 to improper plate. And on ticket number P668780, count 3 is going to be as charged, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed as a part of the plea. Mr. Williams, are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
All right, I'm going to assess a fine today. In the amount of, it's gonna be a total of $380. It's gonna be $190 per ticket, okay?
Okay. And where do I go to pay at?
36 District Court.
Okay. 380.
Yes, how long do you need to pay it? I'm gonna give you 30 days. It sounds like you have the money already.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so I'll give you until May 9th, I'm sorry. May
Okay.
9th, 2022 to have that paid. Okay, you may have some reinstatement fees that aren't included in these costs that you may have to take care of as well. But other than that, that's my fine for today's tickets, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Okay.
Did you have a
Appreciate y'all.
bond? No problem. Did you have a bond?
Yeah, I paid it.
How much was your bond?
1,400.
Ooh. Can we apply that? Your Honor?
Do you want your bond to apply to this?
If I can. If not, I don't. It don't matter.
Okay. We're gonna see if you have bond money available. If you do, we'll apply it to this. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm gonna check quick.
That'll save you time for waiting for it to come back to you.
Okay, never mind. 380. Okay, sir.
Okay. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye. All right, that's all we have for right now. I gotta go do another docket. So,
You want me to hang tight, Your Honor, or?
we're supposed to have somebody come on at 10 o'clock. I'm gonna give